Hello world and welcome to another video. Let's go ahead and solve the problem of converting a linked list to a string. Feel free to pause the video and read through what the problem is asking for, but I find the examples a lot more descriptive. So given a linked list like this, we want to return a string that has each of the values of the linked list in the exact order. As always, here's the solution and here's how it works. So first we're defining a function. You can call him whatever you want, but we're passing the head of this linked list into the function, which happens to be the node A. Then we're defining two variables, results and current. Result is currently an empty string and current points to the head of our linked list. And we're checking. As long as current does not point to null, we go into the while loop. First, we append to the results variable, which is empty, the current value, which happens to be the string A. And then we move current to the next. So now that current points to B, we go back to the while loop, check. While cur is still defined. So we go ahead and append current value to our results and we move current forward. So now current points to C. At this point, I think you get the gist of what's going on. We're going to keep going through this while loop and adding all the values in our linked list until we get to the null node. So at this point, current now points to null. This while loop is not going to execute and we're just going to return our results, which happens to be the string A, B, C, D, E. So as far as time complexity, we have the time complexity of big O of n. And this is because we have to iterate through each of the elements in the linked list. For space, we have a space complexity of big O of n squared. And this is because strings are immutable in Python, meaning every time we append to this res variable, we keep creating a copy of the string in memory and appending to that copy because strings are immutable in Python. As always, this is the code just like we had on the blackboard. Typically, you'll be given a linked list, but in the case you're not, we have to create one. A node is the building block of a linked list, so we create the node class. And then we go ahead and create each of our 5 nodes, A through E. Then after that, we assign links to each of the nodes, so setting A.next to B, B.next to C, and on and on. So at the end of executing this first block of code, we're going to have a linked list exactly like this. Then next, this is our actual function. Once you run this, you're going to return the string. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.